Your brain just lied to you. Right now, while you are scrolling, looking at a photo, or just replaying a text in your head, there is a part of your brain quietly shutting down your ability to think clearly. It did not ask for permission. And if you think you are fully in control of your own desire, you might be wrong. This is not a video about love. We are talking about something more primal, faster, and a lot more dangerous. Lust, not to shame it. To show you exactly what it is doing inside your head before it starts making decisions for you. Lust is a survival response, hardwired into you over tens of thousands of years of evolution. It does not care who you are, where you are, or whether you are already in love with someone else. It cares about one thing, the body. Unlike love, which takes time, memory, and emotional investment to build, lust can ignite in seconds. No name required. No personality required. Just one visual cue at the right moment. That is exactly why it is so powerful and so dangerous. It moves faster than your ability to think it through. Picture your brain as two rival factions. One is the limbic system, your pleasure center, your instincts, your reflexes. The other is the prefrontal cortex, the part responsible for logic, restraint, and good decisions. Normally, these two stay balanced. But the moment lust kicks in, your limbic system floods your brain with dopamine, and it overwhelms the prefrontal cortex. Your ability to weigh consequences, to pause and think clearly, gets temporarily dimmed. This is not speculation. It is a well-documented pattern in neuroscience. When the reward system spikes, rational control drops. And that is exactly why smart, level-headed, genuinely good people can still end up doing things they regret. Not because they are foolish, but because in that moment, their prefrontal cortex simply was not running the show. Here is the part most videos will not say out loud. 1. Unchecked lust can warp how you see other people, reducing a human being to nothing more than a source of gratification. 2. A 2002 brain imaging study scanned men and women while they viewed erotic content. The regions that lit up overlapped almost exactly with the regions activated during drug addiction. In other words, neurologically speaking, repeatedly indulging lust is not that different from feeding an addiction. Every hit raises your tolerance, and next time you need more just to feel the same. 3. A long-term study from 2020 found a link between frequent pornography use and negative body image, both about others and about yourself. You do not just start judging others more harshly. You start judging yourself more harshly too. That is not freedom. That is a feedback loop quietly eating away at your self-esteem. But do not get this twisted. Feeling lust does not make you broken. A healthy amount of it is completely normal. It fuels attraction, helps bond couples, and is just part of being human. The problem is not having lust. The problem is who is in the driver's seat, you or the impulse. Good news. You can take control back starting today. 3 things that actually work. First, name it. Do not feel ashamed for noticing you are feeling it. Shame does not make you more disciplined. It just exhausts you, and exhaustion makes you more likely to give in. Second, cut the trigger. Be honest with yourself about what sets it off. A specific app, a type of content, a late-night habit. Find it, then deliberately avoid it. Not out of weakness, but out of self-respect. Third, redirect the energy. Lust is, at its core, a massive surge of energy. Instead of letting it run you, channel it somewhere else, into training, into a creative project you have been putting off, or into building a real connection with someone. One based on understanding, not just attraction. So the question is not, how do I eliminate lust? Because you do not need to, and honestly, you cannot. The real question is this. In the moments when lust hits hardest, who is actually making the call? The rational person you are, or a borrowed instinct running your body for a few seconds? Every time you pause for one breath before acting, you are taking that control back. And that, not suppression, is what real freedom actually looks like. Have you ever caught yourself making a decision that was not really you? It was just the impulse talking. Drop it in the comments. Saying it out loud is often the first step to actually controlling it. If this video made you reflect on something, hit like and share it with someone who needs to hear it. And if you want to understand exactly where the line is between healthy desire and psychological addiction, the next video goes deep into that. Subscribe so you do not miss it.